I don't like big bags. Like I'm not bag lady.
So won't you say my name, say my name?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hey girl, go ahead and make yourself comfortable because you're family now. On this channel, we talk about all things beauty. That could be hair, makeup, and every now and then I might throw in a little vlog or two. But today we're going to talk about a newer, well-known Black designer that has the girls in a chokehold. I'm just gonna show y'all my collection so far, starting out with the brand Blackwood purses. So if you're interested in knowing my opinion, how I feel about the quality of it, is it worth it, then continue to watch. Off top though, like the packaging of these I like the quality of it. Mind y'all, I bought these months ago. Very much still white, still nice, still in the packaging. Packaging is perfect. Oh my god. And then look when you open it. When you open up the box, this is the Brandon Blackwood New York logo across the whole thing. It also comes with this card, this Brandon Blackwood New York card, which I love that. Let's open it and I'm gonna share with y'all what it says. How nice. Okay, first off, yes, tell me how much you appreciate me, okay, and my dollar. And I love that this looks literally handwritten. He personally thanked me for my purchase. And I love that. So that comes into the box, just so y'all know. Comes with a little, you know, Brandon Blackwood slip, which I'm gonna keep that, honey, because this is gonna be worth millions if that's his signature. Like I could see in the future, like he's gonna be up there with Chanel. The way the girls is going crazy, the way the culture is going crazy, he gonna be up there with the bigger brands like Chanel. You know, Dior, Prada, they've been around for years, like before all of us even thought of. Okay, first off, this bag is so cute. Yes. This is the mini Kendrick trunk pink terry cloth purse. This is so cute. For me, I have different styles. It really depends on how I'm feeling. For this, I plan to like style this on some Clueless type stuff, like wear a vest, like a vest type shirt, you know, crop top vest, and then a longer shirt like button up shirt or something. I don't know, but y'all, you know what I'm saying, it's giving Clueless. The vision is in my head, trust me. This is so cute. Let me take this off. I low-key don't want to. Ooh, y'all, this is nice. This is what it looks like. The logo is embedded and it's like this silver chrome type of look to it. It has a little trunk lock top at the top. I'm gonna take this off because we don't need that no more. I'm excited because I'm gonna put her on my wall. I've been procrastinating and I don't really have space, but I'm gonna make space for my newer stuff and put my older stuff like in the closet. Oh my god, this feels very heavy duty, high quality, even like this part. Just so y'all know, it comes with a drawstring bag. I literally just flicked, boom, and it opens. So they also put these little protectors underneath. I'm like, do I want to take that off or keep it? They put these little protectors on the bottom. I low-key think I'm going to keep that on there until I get ready to actually wear her outside. But I like the way this feels. What I don't like though so far is it doesn't open enough. Like, how am I going to put anything in here? Oh my god, this little is so cute. It comes with a strap, but I'm gonna leave my strap inside the bag because I'm not going outside right now with it. But look y'all, this is how it opens. Like, this is as far, unless you like pressing it down, this is how far it opens, which is disturbing a little bit because it's like, let's see, can my phone even fit in here? No, y'all, is not, my phone does not go in this bag. Hold on, let me try this way, like sideways, sitting sideways. That ain't it. It also has the Brandon Blackwood logo on the inside. Y'all can't see it as good, I feel like. So you could put like your little wallet. You could put like some headphones here. Actually, I'm gonna grab my wallet. So I just grabbed my little Gucci wallet out this little bag behind me. So far, I just put my headphones in here. Like if you have like some AirPods, you could put your wallet, maybe a lighter if you smoke, some lip gloss, and call it a day. You know, put a little lip gloss in there. We're gonna put a little banana in here too. Perfect. That's all you really need besides your phone. So your phone won't fit, but everything else is so cute. So yeah, so the next one I purchased, I only purchased 2, y'all. Both boxes came with the same thing, a card and your bag and a nice little dust bag. I'm pretty sure the card says the same thing and it's handwritten. He was very moved by my purchase, so he had to thank me. This one came wrapped in that dust bag as well as some tissue with a sticker. This bag, obviously, I like small bags, y'all. I don't like big bags. Like I'm not bag lady. So I like smaller bags personally. This came in a bag. I might keep this in here though. Oh, it has a little chain too. Comes with a strap, black strap. This bag is the Daisy bag. So it has like these little side things. I don't know what that is, what I would put there. I don't know. But this is the front of it. I love these. It has the Brandon Blackwood logo. Here, let's take this off. That's so cute. It zips up. Let's see. Oh, it does. So cute. Like, so it has the daisy flowers with Brandon Blackwood. This is a zipper in the front. This is literally a zipper, y'all. Look, you just zip it up like a coat. The back just has like cute little daisy flowers on it. This is giving me 70s. Like I envision like a 70s look for this. It's gonna be a vibe. I want to start like taking pictures of my outfits and stuff. Well, I said I want to start, but we'll see. It has the little things for you to hook the strap to. It has a pocket in here versus the other one didn't have any pockets. And it also has this flap. You see? It opens like that and it has the flap so it goes. Cute. This is how it closes, y'all. How cute, bitch. You can't steal out of this purse. You cannot pickpocket this purse because if you have this top part clipped or snapped, they're out of luck. The quality of it feels really good. So yeah, this bag is so cute. It has the bottom part. This one don't have the little pieces like the other one had the little pieces on the bottom. This one just has nothing. So but she's so cute. Nah, she's really cute though. Let's see if my phone can fit. So I have the 13 Pro. Yes, it fits. I have the 13 Pro and it fit perfectly in there. I think this is gonna be my like everyday, not everyday, but you know what I'm saying? I'll be more susceptible to actually wearing this more frequent than the pink one. You know, the pink one is just like if you're going out to dinner, you have like, you know, fun time with your friends. This one fits everything I had, plus it could fit more in this bag. Literally, I still have room to put more stuff in here. When it comes to like purses, I'm a minimalist. Like as long as I have, honestly, now I'm like, I don't even care. Like a lot of the times I leave out my house and I don't even have my wallet. I don't even think about it. So I feel like they need to make it where your driver's license is in your phone. I mean, my driver's license is in my phone because I took a picture of it. I feel like they need to make driver license portable, like, or you know what I'm saying, on the phone too. Like as far as the quality of these bags that I purchased, I would definitely say they're worth every penny because they feel good quality. Like the first one, even the first one, it's very heavy duty. Like the trunk has some weight to it. I'm not gonna lie, it literally has some weight, but it's not like heavy where it's like, oh my god, I don't want to have to carry this. But it's definitely, it's nice and sturdy. The leather on this one is so nice in my opinion. I would definitely purchase more. When everybody was talking about it, I'm like, okay, is it just one of those brands that the girls are being hyped over, or is it actually worth the purchase? So yeah, it actually is worth the purchase, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing these. And I'm gonna style it, and I'm gonna tag Brandon because he said he wanna sing. We're gonna give this a A+. Recommended. And as far as the shipping, like even when I bought I remember when I purchased this, I know a lot of people was buying stuff and it still came in a nice timely manner. It did not take a long time as far as like shipping or anything like that. It came really fast. No, I didn't pay for no shipping because girl, I didn't spend the money on these bags. You want free shipping. Okay, let me know down in the comments, how do you feel about these purses? Like, would you purchase these? Like, let me know, what's your type of purse? Like, let me know, are you a bag lady, or you a little cute purse, little throw on, little just hold my lip gloss type of girl? If you like videos like this where I'm giving you reviews and my opinions, then please let me know by thumbs up in this video and sharing it. Share it to your friends and your family and let them know, be like, this is what my cousin Keisha on YouTube said. Okay, so yeah, share it to your friends, your family, because if you like it, then it lets me know I need to keep making more videos like this for y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. Until next time, deuces.